What's up guys, today we're turning this Jeep Rubicon into an absolute beast with some epic window tinting. We're talking about blocking out the sun, staying cool, and turning these windows into shatterproof shields. You won't believe the difference it makes, so stick around because this is gonna be insane. Today we're tinting the tough and rugged Jeep Rubicon. And to tint this beast, we need something thick and durable, and it's gonna last a long time, just like Jeep's legacy will. We're gonna tint it with Formula One Stratus, 50% on the rear, to make this more darker from the factory dye glass, which is pretty clear, as you guys can see. There's not that much privacy going on, not much heat rejection either. So we're gonna do 50% here, and then 15, which I already did right here. So everything's gonna match pretty good. It's gonna be a little bit more darker on the back, but that's exactly what the customer wants. You see some baby seats back there, so obviously you want more privacy for the kids. The other thing that's really good about tinting these factory dye windows is that when you have something there that's gonna hold the glass in place, God forbid you get into an accident and glass shatters all over the place, the tint is gonna hold that and not let, projectiles of glass potentially harming you as you're already like in some type of accident. So very, very important for you guys to tint this, not only for more heat rejection, but for a safety concern. I got the patterns already all cut out. We're gonna go ahead and start installing the back glass here. The beautiful Brianna is over there already tinting away, helping me with this one. She's smiling because I said the very beautiful Brianna, because as you guys know, that is my daughter, and this is a father and son duo here that we got going on at High in Detail. Now she's working here full time, so then take the dad jokes and take, what else we got? We'll give her the mic now, she'll start talking more. But this is already all cleaned up, some B-roll action. Which way? Damn, I think I did it the wrong side, but oof. It's like tossing a pizza. Maybe I could work as a pizza maker if all things fails here at High in Detail.
So yeah, we're tinting this brand new Jeep 2024 Rubicon. I didn't get this car. I wanted this car. As every teenage girl wants, I wanted this car, but unfortunately I didn't get it. Yeah, I actually got a Toyota Corolla, so way better option. Right. Anyways, enough about me. We're tinting this with Stratus, the best of the best out there. Tinting with my father. He forces me to work with him. I'm actually, he's holding me against my will, but I love it here. It's so good. Love it. I love it. We're even doing these windows too. So I'm gonna get back in there and get down and dirty and get these done. Yeah.
So while Brandon's working on the back windows, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping this back window here. These are the ones that we always say to get them tinted, just because you never know. Safety, you wanna have them tinted for your kids, for your pets, for anything that could happen that could make the glass shatter. Film is gonna make it stick and not let the glass go all over your interior. Our preferred method is bottom loading. I already took off the seal. Come back here. Pizza action. Yeah, we actually ordered pizza for the guys. Come here. I don't touch the film. Come and feed it from the bottom. And yeah, you see this film has a little bit of shade, but it's super thick, durable, and it's gonna block a lot more heat. And aesthetically, it's gonna look much, much better with a darker film on the rear. So with that bottom loading technique, we barely have to worry about the creases, and for us, in my opinion, I think it's just the cleanest method of installing. It does require to take off the seals, but it's worth it because in the end, the customer and I, we have a better clean install, all in all.
Pray to God that this comes out clean.
And there you have it. This Rubicon is now officially next level. If you thought this was crazy, just wait. We got crazier stuff on the way.
Hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe because we got way more epic cars coming our way. Stay tuned, and as always, keep your ride looking fresh.